Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir T4n Lite. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, you can connect your controller to PC via Bluetooth and this USB transmitter. Simply connect USB transmitter to free USB port on your PC. And now press and hold B button and home button. Controller should automatically pair with the PC. Also you can try Y button plus home button, A button plus home, or X button plus home. If nothing works, press and hold transmitter button for connection. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.